Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got a package from the United States. This is a huge package from Ramen Hero. And Ramen Hero is a new service where if you want to get a really nice bowl of ramen to your door overnighted from the Bay Area, you can. They send you all the stuff you need basically to make a really nice fancy Japanese bowl of ramen. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh wow. Well, it's not going to fit on the desk, but I'll go over everything one at a time. So this is this little, like a welcome aboard card with some info, and then on the back is cooking info and instructions, so that's pretty cool. So it comes in a really big silver bag. Here is the spicy shoyu tonkatsu ramen, and so I'm guessing everything you need to make it is in here. They did mention that some things aren't included, and it looked like those being like mung bean sprouts and spring onion, because honestly shipping that, even if it was overnight, there's just not much point. So let's take a look and see what you get, at least in this one. What do we got here? We've got kind of like a freezer pouch with a slice of seaweed. I guess it's not really sliced, but you know what I mean. One piece. Oh wait, is it one or two? Yeah, one piece of Naruto Maki. Okay, we're on the right track with garnish, that's for sure. A pouch of the noodles. This is a pretty standard style when you're looking for fresh noodles. You'll find them in a little bag like this. Looks like a slice of pork. Oh boy, and a nice bag of broth. So it's got it's got like all the ingredients right here. And then how to slap it together. Heating instructions. Read instructions thoroughly before starting. A large pot. Submerge the broth pouch into 6 cups water for 10 minutes. Turn off the heat. Leave the pouch in the pot until step 4. Thaw out the toppings in the same pot for a couple minutes. Boil the noodles. Boil the noodles for 1.5 to 2 minutes. Use tongs to carefully remove the broth pouch. Drop the noodles in after you strain them. Top it off. Add any additional. This is cool. This is definitely, I don't know, if you were gonna order noodles in the mail like this, and then here's all the info on the back. If you were gonna order noodles in the mail like this, this is pretty cool. They sent quite a few. Here's the one for the classic miso ramen, classic tonkatsu ramen, classic shoyu ramen, a grip of chopsticks, and a couple of nice spoons. Cool. Well, thank you to the folks over at Ramen Hero. I think I know what I'm doing all next week. So yeah, I did 3 reviews already today. So, but man, this sounds really good. It looks like it's gonna be a winner, so cool. Alright, well hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Check out ramenhero.com if you're interested, and have a good one. Bye.